Welcome back, guys. I'm your host, Jawar Fareed. So, there was an issue with the Windows driver that caused so much disturbance in the world. Major airlines, websites, and hospitals were affected. Many called it a cyber attack. That was probably not the case. So, let's have a look at it. What happened is that CrowdStrike pushed a security update that contained a faulty driver. Now that faulty driver caused these blue screens of death to many systems. This problematic software was putting Windows systems into a constant boot loop. As this was a global issue, CrowdStrike rushed to fix it. At the time of recording this video, many systems affected by this boot loop are back to normal functioning. This is what happens when you put all eggs into one basket. iPhone 15 adoption continues to weaken compared to iPhone 14. So people are spending less money on newer iPhones. One could argue that this might be due to the upcoming iPhone 16, which is rumored to get big hardware upgrades. But that might not be the case. According to Ming Chi Kuo, iPhone 16 may not see a supercycle after all. A supercycle is where the majority of users switch to newer iPhones. People love their old iPhones, I guess. Apple, Anthropic, and other companies used YouTube videos to train AI. These companies scraped the YouTube subtitle data from 48,000 channels for training. Mr. Beast and Marcus Brownlee channel was part of this database. After hearing this, Apple came forward and denied these allegations. I think these AI companies should respect the creators and ask their permission to use any of their content. Intel is in hot waters right now as many of its 13 and 14th gen CPUs have been failing. According to Elderson Games, failure rate is 100% for certain CPUs. This is not good news for Intel. This problem is not limited to desktop CPUs, laptops, and servers featuring Intel CPUs facing similar crashes. Intel has still not provided any solution to this problem. AMD's new laptop chip beats Apple M3 Max in a single-core performance but falls short in the multi-core performance. The graph shows that performance of Ryzen 9 and Apple M3 Max. This is just an early look. It is not clear how these new Ryzen chips will perform in the real world. But one thing is clear, Apple has some serious competition now. Pixel 9 leak suggests that there will be a major camera upgrade that might include 8K video recording. Pixel 9 will include a new 50 megapixel Sony IMX858 sensor as an ultra-wide camera. Pixel 9 lineup will be dropping next month, so we will have to verify these leaks. That will be all for this week. Come back next week for more awesome tech news.